Good morning, people. We take a look at Shakay using old-time synthing the day after emancipation. Hello, me think we did free. JPS, look for your cars. Good morning. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, if you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do lifestyle vlogs, so if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, today we are starting a new vlog. I don't know if this vlog is going to be like a day in my life or just like a week in my life. Most likely it's a week in my life, right? Yeah, I'm gonna see me I did that much today, but we're entertaining them. That's vlog worthy, so week in my life. All right, so yes, it is currently 7:20 and I'm waking up. Well, I woke up probably about an hour or so ago, and I did my devotion, and I was like editing a video that's supposed to upload like next week Sunday. So I'm gonna start editing for now. Yeah, that's what I have to do, edits. Yeah, so yes, was editing that, but I decided to get up now, so I'll start my day officially. Yeah, so today I have quite a few things I actually want to complete. I want to wash some clothes. I think I might bake today. I'm not too sure, but I think I might bake today. And then happy independence. I'll do a reach day, but okay. Yeah, but by them reach about this independence. Oh yeah, true. Happy independence. True. That's gonna be like so long, but yeah, as I said, I want to bake, I want to wash, I'm trying to like sew. I'll try to get back into my sewing era, because I did sewing in school when I was in high school. So I wanted to try making a skirt for back to school, so I'm going to cut out the thing today. Hopefully we get to do it. So cut it out today, and you know, all of that. Yeah, I need to go to Kelly's like tomorrow, because I'm maybe going to the doctor tomorrow. Hopefully the doctor is working, so I may be going to the doctor tomorrow. And if I get to go to the doctor tomorrow, then I'll get to go to the bookstore that sells like the zipper and buttons and so on, and get those so that I can finish it before the end of the week. But I like for sure in the vlog. Clarity. So yeah, that's what I have planned for today. Well, we're supposed to be going to the river, but I don't think that's gonna work. I don't know. I think the drive is like this right now, so I think that's out of the plan for today. But yeah, tomorrow should be going to the doctor. Wednesday Wednesday we have Donkey Carnival. I don't know what we have planned for Thursday and Friday, but we'll see throughout the end of the week. I'm not sure, but yeah. All right guys, so let's start the day. Breakfast, guys. So I'm having egg and breadfruit with some Milo tea. Yeah. My camera go last, my people. So we're walking. Take a little time. Guys. Miss Jam. Miss Jam, why are you giving me heartache?
Yes. No, attack my arts, man. Not attack my arts. Mister. Alright, we made it down the hill, people. Yeah, alright, what's up?
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stay. But I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to kiss. Come chase these rules and they play. All I wanna hear is an episode we play. Sit right next to you.
I thought you were supposed to ask. You want to be a part of my vlog? Hi. Yes, we're fishing. We caught 2 fish. Fishies. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Hi, Rita. I caught fishes, guys. Yes, guys, we're at the river.
Oh my gosh!
What? What?
The pool.
Welcome to the bowl. Oh. Be careful. Oh. Yeah. Just see you. How about a pair of foot? Oh, jeez. What's your name? What you think, hello? Flexible? You feeling flexible, Mama? Yeah. Okay. Now she's getting hers. What is mommy? Get up, girl. Ease up. Sit properly. She's so like a child. I know, right? Little kid, huh?
But you know, man, what's a 2 minute earth, man? It's done. You are done. Your food done.
Mom, careful, careful. Walk, walk. Come right here.
I cook rice here, big man. You know? When you get used to eating and drinking coconut water, because this country said that we have to want to learn how to take it.
Thank you, Rita.
What can I say?
No more one.
I want one.
Or piece.
I want. I get piece. Not even when I cook spoon, but not easy.
Tongues. You know them like that anymore. Most of them don't know their name, but when you pick up them face.
They got a spoon.
You can't do it any mistake.
Yeah?
Don't do it any man.
Is that sure?
Oh man. We're done. We're going home. So you're easier? Your foot a slide out of the shoes. Guys, so update. I don't know if you guys are seeing me or whatever, but it's Tuesday and I'm gonna follow it on here. So it's Tuesday, guys, and yes, yesterday we went to the river, as you guys saw. As I said in the morning, I wasn't sure if we're actually going to still go, but yeah, worked out, so we still went and I had fun. Yeah, so yes, right now I'm washing again. Yesterday I washed some, today I'm washing again. Guys, I really hope the rain fall again, because you see this is good drum here, so thank God for God and him rain. Because if we never have that, what would I have been doing? Because I haven't washed for a while because there's no water, and then there was no rain falling at the time, so drum them did dry. But rain a fall. Yeah, tomorrow rain fall again today because it's quarter now. But me use out about quarter it, so it have 3/4 water left in there. Yeah, I want everybody to can wash, so yeah. So currently this is my situation. I'm outside washing. Yeah. Alright guys, so I am ready. I'm gonna be going to the doctor. We got 21, 22, 23. So it's like after 1 near to 2 o'clock. We said we're leaving at 2. So I am ready. So I'm gonna get my checkup so that I can get my medication and such and such. Just wearing a simple little blouse. My room kind of messy right now because the clothes I'm gonna wash, I kind of spread them up on the bed. So I never really want to do the, you know what, oh well. Yeah, ignore my clothes around there. But this is the OOTD. I have on this Mickey Mouse shirt. I'm wearing my hat because my hair needs to be combed, so no. Anyways, I'm wearing this jeans because it kind of already dirty and I need it to wash, so might as well wear it. And then I have on my gray Crocs, so that's the fit for today. My mirror needs to be cleaned as well, so don't mind that. Yeah, but it's a good thing I did actually check up the clothes because the rain is falling. Anyways, bye. Alright guys, so I'm back home. Yeah, and right as I reach home, we get into cooking. As you can see, me open you can see because I'm trying to use the back camera for the quality. Yeah, but let me show you. So yeah, we're cooking up a storm. Me I tried out chicken, I like what I call it, chicken Alfredo, but I didn't have the milk. So like
Guys,
trying to try something as well. Mister, if anything wrong with me tomorrow, I don't know, cause I don't know what to see that video, so no. So anyways, I did the pasta and I'm going to put it in it now because I think it ready for it now. And then the chicken.
good morning guys. I'm a little terrible, kind of just gets up, but yeah. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Happy Independence, although in the last this like fiddle, but yeah, it's like probably the next 2 or 3 weeks after. So yeah, right now I'm about to make my bed, and then some of the clothes I washed yesterday I folded and I'm gonna put them away. And you know, while I do that, I'm watching Mariah. So yeah, for today, yesterday the pasta was busting. I didn't expect it to come out good because one, I forgot to buy milk, to like the cream where you put in it, plus the right cheese, whenever I have all of that. So it's like I went online and I found something on TikTok for how to make one cream feet, and I made it and it never bad. So I used milk powder and I put them never no coconut milk, but I'm like, I said, mommy, if we put coconut milk in there, you know what I gotta do? I'm gonna say we get like a flavor. I'm saying, alright. So I put coconut milk in there and then mix it up with some water, and then I took the cornstarch and put it in some water by itself and then pour them in at the pot. And then on my look, it's like it did too much. I say, you know what, it's so wet. Anyways, I make it simmer down, and then when I put it in it, I was still kind of skeptic and put everything in there and kind of skeptic a little bit. Come I say, you know, look how I want to look, and then when my TC kind of did fresh, yeah, I fell down on that though. It did kind of freshish, but you see when time you put the cheese on top of it, clarity. So anyways, that was that yesterday. I didn't get to make my bread pudding, so I don't know, I probably have to go and get the milk today so I can get it done, because I want my bread pudding. Yeah, so yeah, that's the plan for today. And then today is also Independence Day, so we're having Donkey Carnival, so you guys will see that later on.
MT, you made this?
Alright guys, so I'm ready. It is currently 1:28 right now, and I'm just waiting on my sis to be ready, and then we're gonna head out. But I want to show you guys my outfit, so I'm gonna find one little space to like show the outfits and all. Yeah, but I'm wearing the hat because my ear kind of need to do, and I just camera that, so that's why I kind of put on the hats. Yeah. Alright, so this is the fit. Just fell. Yeah. But I kind of leaned in the car. So I'm wearing this jeans dress. Don't know where it's from. Bought this in Kelly's and my little fanangles. I bought this shoe from Kicks in Kingston. Yeah. But I don't know where I get that dress there from. I think somebody didn't give me it, but I'm not sure. But yeah, just waiting for Shan to be ready, and then we're gonna head down. It's already so loud and noisy already, so when we reach down there, probably like I won't be able to talk. So mommy has sent me a video from the march, so for when we reach down there, I'll just have to do like a montage or something, because most likely me can't go talk. So yeah, I love the lighting out here. Why am I gonna vlog outside more often? Because yeah, mommy and I message them. It's not 1:30 people, 1:31. Alright, so right now I'm gonna do the OOTD for my shorts and then do some TikTok until Shan ready.
And you're about meeting to them.
Hi
Come up
guys.
and talk and
Hello. Hi. Hi.
I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Oh yeah, put me on YouTube. Yes. Guys, and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. Live with Mika, please. Okay.
Hi guys, I'm sweating, but I'm here at the Donkey Carnival 2025. Thank them now, them are one.
Living in the present, I woulda, shoulda, or could. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does.
My mother for TV. Oh my god. Mike, I say cotton candy there. You know, say hi to the vlog. Well, the cotton candy love fridges. I grab that, try. Alright, yeah.
Me might come off food, I feel fast.
Or what? Love me later, when the later is much greater. It only personator paper. Feel good, feel good. Whoop.
I don't know what to do or what I should say.
Won't you please come? Yeah. And we say, amen, 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 amen. Amen, 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 amen. Yeah. Amen, 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 amen. Amen, 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 amen. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us of all our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us, against us.
Guys, I want to show y'all I'm sewing. So I sewed the thingies. We call them. I don't know, guys. I haven't sewed since grade 11, so this is a whole thing for me.
Hey guys, so I know the vlog should have ended yesterday. However, I know I was showing you guys yesterday that I was creating a skirt. So I usually do clothing when I was in high school, and I haven't like sewed like in a while. However, I said to myself that I wanted to sew myself a skirt and see, see if we can actually get back the little skill to start make back things to myself. And guys, I made a skirt. Yeah, make one skirt. I'm gonna show it. It's like a pencil kind of skirt, but I'm sure I cannot show how it look. But yeah, put in a zip and all these things. Yeah, I need to put in the hook for here. Yeah. This hem it up this morning and all of that. But yeah, skirt is made. Skirt has been made.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.